I'm Lila.
And I'm Charlotte.
And this is our semester 1 in review. So, in chapter 1, I learned about intro to chemistry and how chemistry impacts medicine and energy, materials, and agriculture.
And then in chapter 2, we learned about matter and how it changes. And the thing I'll remember most is the different states of matter, which are solid, liquid, and gas, and the different types of mixtures.
In chapter 3, we learned about scientific measurement, and that included accuracy, precision, errors, significant figures, SI units, conversion factors, and how to measure density.
In chapter 4, we learned about atomic structure, and Dalton's atomic theory tells us about how an element is composed of only one type of atom, and a compound is a mixture of them.
In chapter 5, I learned what the atomic model and quantum mechanical model of the atom looks like.
And in chapter 6, we learned about the periodic table and how it's arranged in periods and groups with like elements.
And in chapter 7, we learned about ionic and metallic bonding. Bonding are ions, cations, and anions, ionic compounds, and alloys, and mixtures of different metals.
In chapter 8, we learned about covalent bonding, and covalent bonding is when atoms are held together by sharing electrons, and there are different types of those.
In chapter 9, I learned about chemical names and formulas, and I discovered what cations and anions are, as well as how to name and write ionic and molecular formulas.
In chapter 10, we learned about chemical quantities, like the mole, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles of any substance.
In chapter 11, I learned how chemical equations show the reactants and then the product. And there are two different kinds. Combination reactions, which is two or more substances reacting. And then a decomposition reaction is one or more compounds that break down. It's in a single replacement reaction, because one element replaces another. A double replacement reaction is an exchange of positive ions between compounds, and combustion reactions produce energy in the form of heat and light.
And that concludes our presentation.
Yay!